here we have our turkey sausage. I take it out the tube and we're going to form it into little square patties. So just kind of flatten it. Looks round here. And we're just going to place some parchment and we're going to use our fingers to just kind of square it off. Still flattening it some more. I'm going to bake it in my air fryer for a few minutes. Let it cool. And we're going to have some sausage and pepper hot pockets. We're going to use our puff pastry. Here's our square. I prefer to make it a square because the hot pockets are usually square. But if you want to make it another shape, you can. But this is the shape I'm making it. So I'm going to put our turkey rectangular sausage in the air fryer. And if yours has a bake mode like mine, I'm going to bake it for 400 for 15 minutes. Vitamin content for our sausage and pepper hot pocket is puff pastry, B3, B9, K, iron and magnesium, turkey sausage, A, B6, K, niacin, phosphorus and zinc, onions, B6, C, folate, magnesium and potassium, red and green bell peppers, A, B2, B6, C, folate, niacin, potassium, and provolone cheese, B12, calcium, phosphorus, and zinc. We cooked our sausage. We're going to add our sausage patty here. Well, our provolone cheese first, and then our sausage patty, and then our peppers and onions that we cooked. We're going to add another piece of provolone to this. Close this dough differently. Squeeze it down on the side, and then you'll go over it with your fork. Take your fork, then you put egg wash on it. Here's this one here. I basically just stretched out my puff pastry. Here goes my provolone cheese, my piece of sausage, another piece of provolone cheese in the center, my onions and peppers, and just fold it on the top here. Bring another one around and fold it. Just kind of secure the edges here. And then I'm going to egg wash this. Here are a list of ingredients. So we are just egg washing our hot pockets made with our puff pastry. So you're going to cook this in our oven on 375 for about 30 to 35 minutes till it is GBD, which is golden brown and delicious. So I am brushing our puff pastry with some butter and parsley. It's a hot pocket made out of puff pastry. Did you know? Food insecure pregnant women are more likely to have birth complications. So here we are with our sausage patty, peppers and onions, and provolone cheese hot pocket made with a puff pastry. So our resident taste tester is here, and he's going to let us know how our little unique hot pocket tastes. There's the pepper, there's the cheese, there's the sausage.
Well, Has a really nice texture with the flaky crust on it, you know. Adds a
Mm-hmm.
lot to it. And with the peppers and the sausage, they really contrast each other well. It's not too overpowering of each. And then just make a nice blend of everything.
This is really good because most time when you think of sausage, you know, it's usually broken up, like how ground beef is broken up. So we had formed this into a square patty. And, you know, kind of wanted to have that Italian sausage kind of feel with sausage and pepper. So I said, hey, let me make a Hot Pocket with it. And it's very enjoyable to the palate. Super easy to do, as you saw. I thank you for hanging out with us today. If you try this, please comment below and let us know. We enjoy hanging out with you, and come back and hang out with us again in our next video. Love you. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.